What is your name? Okay. Plus 25 plus 56 minus 21. What is the answer? 60 is right answer. Claps. Name? Rupesh. Add 15, 15. 15. Right. Add 26. Now add 52. Tell me what is the answer. Name? Charita. Add 26. Very good. Add 52. Add 16. 16. Name? Okay. Plus 85. Minus 25. Plus 15. 15. Plus 17. 17. What is the answer? 92 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Your name? Plus 25 plus 56 right. Plus 12. What is the answer? 93 is right answer. Claps everybody. Very good. Uday. Okay. Uday, add 55. Add 36. Minus 21. What is the answer, Uday? Where is the 5? 70 is right answer. Go. Your name? Harshini. Harshini, add 75. Add 18. Minus 12. What is the answer? 81 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Name? Usheshri. Plus 12. Plus 55. Plus 27. What is the answer, Usheshri? 90? 94 is right answer. Claps. Very good. What is your name? Okay. Plus 66. Plus 28. Now minus 32. Minus 30. Minus 2. What is the answer? Mama? 62 is right answer.
My name is
Kirtana. Add 55. Add 27. Very good. Add 12. Kirtana, what is the answer?
94.
94 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Okay. Plus 26. Plus 56. Plus 11. What is the answer?
50.
Count again.
90.
93 is right answer. Very good. Claps.
My name is
Ritika. Okay. Plus 25. Very good. Plus 58. 58. Minus 12. Now count and tell me what is the answer.
71.
71 is right answer. Claps. Very good.
My name is Tanisha.
Okay. Tanisha, add 76. Very good. Add 17. 17. Very good. Minus 52. What is the answer, Tanisha?
41.
41 is right answer. Claps. Very good. What is your name?
My name is
Siri. Right. Add 16. Good. Add 58. So plus. Now we add 23. Not minus 23. What is the answer, Siri?
51.
51 is right answer. Very good. Name? Okay. Plus 72. Plus 15. 15. Plus 7. What is the answer? 94 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Okay. Plus 25. Plus 57. Very good. Plus 12. So what is the answer? 94 is right answer. Claps. Very good.
My name is Lakshmi.
Last is 3. Plus 66. Plus 28. Minus 54. What is the answer? 40 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Harshini. Add 36. Add 56. Very good. Minus 21. What is the answer, Harshini?
71.
71 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Okay. Plus 27. Plus 82. Mastering రాలేదు కదా వీళ్ళకి. Not 82. 18. 18. So what is the plus sign technique? Now add 54. What is the answer? 99. 99 is right answer. Good. Name? Huh? Mahanya. Okay. Mahanya, add 67. Okay. Add 27. Minus 34. What is the answer? 60 is the right answer. Claps. Very good. Okay. Plus 65. Plus 28. Very good. Minus 32. What is the answer? 61 is right answer. Claps. Very good. What's your name? Yashwant. Add 56. Add 27. 27. Now add 15. 15. Add 10 and add 5. Don't remove 1. Add 5. What is the answer? 98 is right answer. Okay. Add 58. Right. Add 36. Minus 24. What is the answer? 70. What is the answer? 7 or 70? Right. 70 is right answer. Very good. Karthik. Okay. Karthik, add 27. Add 57. So plus 2 minus 5 plus 10, right? Minus 21. What is the answer, Karthik? 63 is right answer. Very good. Guys, imagine the abacus. Plus 18, 18. Finish? Plus 12. Finish? Minus 10. Finish? Plus 25. Complete? Now slowly open your eyes. What is your answer? You? So 45 is right answer. Class for them, all of you. Very good, Nana. Excellent. Plus 19, 19. Plus 16, 16. Plus 55. Minus 23. Complete? Now slowly open your eyes. So tell me what is your answer. Say loudly. 68. You? 68. You? Come friend, what is your name? So 67 is right answer. Claps everybody. Very good. Excellent. Tell me what is your name? Ahid. Plus 27. Very good. Plus 56. Now add 11. Yes. Tell me what is the answer?
94.
94 is right answer. Very good. Hafsa. Okay. Add 47. Add 82. Very good. Add 91. So tell me what is the answer? Yes, 220 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Imagine the abacus and imagine the abacus beads. Plus 23. Finish? Plus 17, 17. Finish? Plus 52. Finish? Minus 62. Finish? Now slowly open your eyes. I will ask you one by one. Don't tell your answer. What is your answer? 45. You? 92. You? 30. You? 30. So 30 is right answer. Class for them. Very good. Plus 13, 13. Plus 17, 17. Plus 16. Minus 14. Finish? Now slowly open your eyes. What is your answer?
32.
You? 32 is right answer. Please clap for them. Very good. Both are done really great. So what is your name?
My name is Lex.
Okay. Plus 67. Okay, very good. Plus 92. 92. Plus 21. Hmm. Very good. What is the answer?
Answer is 180.
180 is the right answer. Very good. Name? Plus 24 plus 56. Very good. Plus 14. So what is the answer?
94.
94 is the right answer. Class for him. Very good. Name?
My name is
Latifa. Okay. Add 46. Add 67. Okay. Add 24. What is the answer, Latifa?
Answer is 137.
137 is right answer. Class for Latifa. Very good. Okay. Plus 82. Plus 62. Plus 42. What is the answer?
86.
Huh?
86.
Count again.
186.
That's it. 186 is the right answer. Claps. Very good. Your name? All right. Plus 72. Very good. Plus 85. Plus 22. What is the answer? 179 is right answer. Claps. Very good.
My name is
Jahnavi. Jahnavi, add 82. Add 42. Very good. Now we add 71. What is the answer, Jahnavi?
190.
195 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Name?
My name is
Huh?
My name is Sanjay.
Okay. Plus 24. Plus 95. Plus 41. No. 41. What is the answer? 160 is right answer. Claps. Very good. So what is your name? Hasni. Hasni, add 32. Add 72. Very good. Plus 51. What is the answer, Hasni? 155 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Kavesri. Okay. Plus 71. Plus 81. Plus 42. What is the answer? So 194 is right answer. Class for Kavesri. Very good. Name? Charita. You know mastering. Okay. Plus 34. Plus 85. Plus 71. Very good. So what is the answer? 190 is right answer. Claps for Charita. Name? Okay. You know mastering? Right. Plus 76. Plus 73. Very good. Minus 12. What is the answer? 137 is right answer. Claps. Very good, Amma. What is your name? Alekya. You know mastering? Right. Plus 75. Very good. Plus 82. Plus 41. What is the answer, Alekya?
198.
198 is the right answer. Claps. Very good. You know mastering? Right. Plus 84. Good. Plus 75. Very good. Plus 21. Name? Plus 4. Your name? Right. Plus 56. 56. Very good. Plus 54. Four కావాలండి. Add 12. So what is the answer?
120.
Very good. You know mastering? Right, very good. Add 76. Add 83. Very good. Plus 40. Minus 22. What is the answer? 177 is the right answer. Claps. Very good. Name?
My name is Jay.
Right. Plus 45. Plus 92. Very good. Plus 52. What is the answer? 189 is right answer. Claps. Very good. Name? Okay. Plus 82. Plus 72. 72. So what is the answer? 154. Good. Mahadev. Add 65. Add 94. Add 120. So what is the answer? 217. Very good. Name? Javed. Plus 24. Plus 85. Very good. Plus 80. 80. What is the answer? 189 is right answer. Please clap for him. Very good. Your name? Okay. Plus 11. Plus 54. Plus 94. So what is the answer? 159 is right answer. Claps for him. Very good. What is your name? Plus 12. Plus 55. Right. Plus 26. So count and tell me what is the answer. 93 is right answer. Very good. Class for him. What is your name? Okay. Plus 34 plus 95 5. Add 5. Now add 70. 70. Yes. What is the answer? 199 is right answer. Very good. What is your name? Yaswant. Add 45. Add 72. No. Plus 52. So what is the answer? 100. Very good. 160.